Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about vehicle noises you should never ignore on your vehicle. So we're going to start off with one simple, and that is a severe growling noise. Could be a wheel bearing failure. Last thing we want is a wheel to fall off a vehicle. Obviously could become a safety issue also, and a lot more expensive. You can damage more components. So you're getting a growling noise, make sure and get your vehicle checked out. Grinding noises. We see lots of vehicles that start off with a little squeak from the brakes. They're not inspected properly. You end up with metal-to-metal brakes, which cause overextended calipers and other damage, which becomes extremely expensive on a vehicle. So starting hearing these noises, let's get them in. Engine noises. Often timing component failure, timing chain failures, valve failures, items like this are caused by lack of oil, not servicing a vehicle properly. You start to hear ticking or rattling noises from an engine, make sure you get it in, get it inspected properly. It will save you money in the long run. Hissing when we, or overheating of a vehicle, when we start talking about cooling systems become an issue. Make sure you get your vehicle in and have it inspected properly on any noises you're having to save you money in the long run. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.